Hey everybody, today we are going to be reviewing a Bridgeport J head milling machine that we've got. We're just going to go over some of the features and then we'll do a quick test run for y'all to see exactly how everything looks on this mill. So yeah, to begin with, this one has the replaced X and Y axis lead screw and nut. This one has the ball bearing lead screw and nut assembly, so your standard stock ones would have the brass nut and Acme thread. This has the upgraded ball bearing thread, and it makes for pretty much no slop whatsoever in the X and Y axis. This one also has the DRO or digital readout for the X and Y axis. It works very, very well for making those precision cuts without measuring twice. This one also comes with the power drawbar, variable speed, and the auto feed, which is standard for Bridgeports or whatever. I'm just going to quickly do a demonstration of how the power drawbar works. So we have a collet in here right now. To release, you just push it out, and it pushes it out. In, and now the collet is seated against the seat of the quill, or spindle, excuse me. So yeah, we're just going to do a quick run for you. We're going to put it forward and reverse for you. This right here is your high, neutral, and low setting for the master speed gear. This is your engage or disengage for the auto feed. We have it in the engage position right now because we're going to demonstrate the auto feed for the quill. We have it in the mid-range speed right now. This has got 3 speeds for the auto feed. So yeah, we're going to turn it on here and give you a look at what it looks like in the auto feed position. And so yeah, pretty much very basic Bridgeport. It does have the multiple swivel points. Obviously the head will rotate this way, it'll rotate this way, and then the ram will slide back and forth, and then you can also master rotate the head that way. And so yeah, very basic but very nice Bridgeport. It has some obvious wear here and there. It has a few nicks on the table, as you can see here. But overall, just a nice Bridgeport vertical mill for anybody looking for one. We will put the link of the listing in the description below. As always, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.